The Pentax MG is a film camera that was made in 1984, and today we're going to be putting this camera to the test in this residential area to see if it can still hold up today. Without further ado, welcome to Hoya Entertainment, and this is Into the Lens. Oh my god, this is so hard to focus. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo of this light post here. I'll do this one. Or maybe I'll do this one actually. Might look better. Yeah, I like this. I guess so. Yeah, this is like I can't put my phone in my pocket. Yeah, this is a cool area. It's like really quiet and shit. All right, I want to take a photo of this house because it looks really like different, random. Okay. I think I want to take a photo of a telephone pole or something. Let's go try to find one of those. Okay, so we're back here, we got the scans, and this camera did perform pretty good. I mean, the photos are sharp. The only problem with the photos is that there's not a lot of detail in them. I mean, like they are good photos. I mean, the colors are really rich, and like I said, like they are sharp, but they just don't have a lot of detail. That's really the only problem I have with them. Other than that, this camera performed pretty good. Would I prefer this one over the point and shoot that we shot, the Canon 105? No, I would definitely prefer the Canon 105. I think it's just way more convenient, and I think the photos were a lot more detailed in that camera. But I mean, having a camera is probably better than having no camera. So yeah, for that, I mean, the photos turned out pretty good. It's good for what it is. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next episode.